Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Duthss infrared portable sauna tents with heating machine. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Upgrade dry red light. 660 nanometers red light and safe dry sauna heater fast heating. The sauna temperature can be set between 95 degrees Fahrenheit and 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Overheat protection. Large space sauna. The sauna cover measures 33.8 x 33.8 x 65.74 inch and is oversized to accommodate a full body. The built-in 3 transparent windows give you an open view and the detachable window can be opened directly for fresh air. Up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit of pure heat. Reach effective sauna temperatures for a powerful session, all inside a portable, easy-to-place design that fits effortlessly in bedrooms, offices, or wellness corners. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.